Ladies and gentlemen, let's create a company in Zoho Books. Ladies and gentlemen, to create a new company in Zoho Books is also referred to as an organization. It's your company. So there are two things that you can do here. When you create your account at first, you have to set up your organization with all your details. Now, there's some custom fields and there are also some required fields, so you have to add in all of those details. However, if you'd like to change all of those details, you can go ahead and do this. So you're going to go up to settings. You're going to come down and you're going to look for organization and you're going to go to profile. And in profile, you will see organization name, industry, location, address, and this is how you can add in all of your own information here about your organization. Now, let's say you'd like to add in an additional organization. So you're here on your homepage, you'll see here's my organization name, or my company name. You're going to click on this and you'll see organizations, and here you're going to click on manage, and from manage you'll see you can click on new organization. Now, if you are managing multiple companies, multiple accounts, whatever the case may be, this is a great way to do it all in one single space. Here you can access the app in Zoho One. Okay, so you can go and access Zoho Books in Zoho One, or you can sign up for a new organization. It'll be separate to your current organization in your Zoho One instance. Okay, so either which way you'll go about this and you'll create a new organization. Now, once you do, you will find yourself on the page where you have previously been able to edit all of these details. So this is what the page will be like, and here you can add in all the details of your new organization or company, and then you're going to click on save. Now, once you've done that, you'll be able to actually see over here where it says your organization name. You can drop this down and it'll be a list of all of your organizations. You can just click on each one of them, and that's the one that you'll be working in.